Just a quick video, just a quick message. Look, my background, bricklayer, ex-college lecturer, MVQ assessor, that means I got people qualified in what they did. But what we had to have, the most important thing we used to have is a plan of action, a framework to do anything. I had an architect draw up the plans and all the other things that go with that. But the reason I'm giving this quick message with you is because I'll call him Bearded Dan, the marketing man. It's helping me get my Blog the Builder project up and running. But to do that, you've got to have a plan of action. Dan's framework to get me from where I want to go to where I am now to where I want to go, it works. Now, I know about plans, I know about frameworks because I've had to do it in my profession when it comes down to a portfolio of information, getting people qualified. But I'm telling you, Dan's plan for success when it comes down to his framework for success works because there's a beginning, there's a middle and an end. That 3 steps to success, beginning, middle and end. Look, all I'm saying is it works, but you've got to work it and let Dan show you. Just go through the process, let him show you what you're missing because you've got to have a key to success and Dan's framework is a key to success. I'll speak to you again soon.